Are you looking for the perfect family-friendly destination for your next vacation? Look no further. Today, we're embarking on 10 essential tips to help you discover the best family-friendly destinations. From choosing the right accommodations to researching local attractions, these 10 tips about family-friendly destinations will make sure your vacation is both enjoyable and stress-free. But wait, there's an electrifying twist. We have a thrilling bonus tip waiting for you at the end. So sit back, relax, and let us help you plan your next family vacation. Number 10. Considerations for choosing family-friendly destinations. Choosing the perfect family-friendly destination can make or break your vacation. To help you make the best decision, we compiled 10 essential tips for selecting a destination that will cater to your family's needs and ensure an enjoyable experience for everyone. First, consider the interests and preferences of each family member. Whether you have thrill seekers, nature enthusiasts, or history buffs, finding a destination that offers a variety of activities is key. Research the attractions and activities available in each potential destination to ensure there's something for everyone to enjoy. Next, consider the distance and ease of travel. Long flights or car rides can be exhausting for young children, so choosing a destination that is relatively close to home or offers convenient transportation options can make the journey more bearable. Number 9. Beach destinations with fun activities for kids. When it comes to family vacations, beach destinations are always a hit. The combination of sand, sun, and surf creates the perfect playground for kids of all ages. But with so many beach destinations to choose from, how do you know which one is right for your family? Here are 10 tips to help you find beach destinations with fun activities for kids. First, look for beaches that offer a range of activities. From building sandcastles to snorkeling, having a variety of things to do will keep your little ones entertained. Consider the safety of the beach. Look for destinations with lifeguards on duty and calm waters for younger kids. Research nearby attractions and amenities. Are there parks, playgrounds, or restaurants within walking distance? Check if there are any kids' clubs or organized activities available at the beach. This can give parents some much-needed relaxation time while the kids have a blast. Number 8. National parks and outdoor adventures. National parks and outdoor adventures provide an incredible opportunity for families to connect with nature and create lasting memories. When considering family-friendly destinations, don't overlook the wonders of national parks. Here are some destination tips for exploring national parks and enjoying outdoor adventures with your family. First, research the national park you plan to visit. Look for family-friendly trails, picnic areas, and ranger-led programs that cater to kids of all ages. Many national parks have visitor centers with interactive exhibits and educational materials, providing a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Next, plan your activities according to your family's interests and physical abilities. National parks offer a range of activities, from hiking and wildlife viewing to fishing and canoeing. Make sure to choose activities that are suitable for everyone in your family to ensure an enjoyable experience. Number 7. Theme park vacations for families. When it comes to family vacations, theme parks are an absolute must. The thrill of the rides, the laughter, and the memories created are unmatched. But with so many theme parks to choose from, how do you find the perfect one for your family? Here are some tips to make your theme park vacation a roaring success. First, consider the age and interests of your children. Some parks cater more to younger kids, while others offer adrenaline-pumping attractions for older ones. Research the rides and attractions available to ensure there's something for everyone. Next, look for parks with family-friendly amenities. From stroller rentals to nursing rooms, having these conveniences can make your trip much smoother. Number 6. Exploring historical sites and museums with kids. Exploring historical sites and museums with kids can be a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Immerse yourselves in the rich history of different cultures and civilizations while making lasting memories. Here are some tips to make the most out of your visit to historical sites and museums with your kids. First, do some research beforehand to find out what exhibits or activities are available for children. Many museums offer interactive exhibits or kid-friendly guided tours that can keep your little ones engaged and excited. Make it a game. Create scavenger hunts or quizzes related to the exhibits to make the visit more interactive and enjoyable for the kids. This way, they can learn while having fun. Number 5. Choosing family-friendly accommodations. Choosing the right accommodations is crucial when planning a family-friendly vacation. You want a place that is comfortable, convenient, and suitable for the whole family. Here are some tips to help you choose family-friendly accommodations that will meet your needs and ensure a pleasant stay. First, consider the size of your family. Look for accommodations that offer spacious rooms or suites that can comfortably accommodate everyone. Having separate sleeping areas or connecting rooms can provide privacy and ensure a good night's sleep for everyone. Next, think about the amenities that are important to you and your family. Are you looking for a hotel with a pool, a playground, or a kids' club? Do you need a kitchenette to prepare meals for picky eaters? Consider these factors when selecting accommodations to make sure they align with your family's preferences. Number 4. Finding budget-friendly options for family travel. Traveling as a family can be an amazing experience, but it can also put a strain on your wallet. That's why finding budget-friendly options for family travel is essential. Here are some tips to help you save money while still enjoying a memorable vacation with your loved ones. First, consider your destination. Look for places that offer affordable accommodations, activities, and dining options. Consider destinations that are known for being family-friendly and offer discounted rates or packages for families. Next, be flexible with your travel dates. Avoid peak tourist seasons when prices are higher. Traveling during the off-peak season can not only save you money, but also give you the opportunity to experience your destination without the crowds. Number 3. Packing essentials for family travel. Packing for a family trip can be quite a daunting task. With so many different needs and preferences to consider, it's important to make sure you have all the essentials for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Here are some packing essentials to keep in mind when traveling with your family. First and foremost, don't forget the basics. Make sure each family member has enough clothing for the duration of the trip, including extra layers for changing weather conditions. Pack comfortable shoes and don't forget any necessary accessories like hats or sunglasses. Next, consider the specific needs of each family member. If you have babies or toddlers, make sure to pack diapers, wipes, and any other necessary baby items. For older kids, bring along their favorite toys or activities to keep them entertained during the journey. Number 2. Tips for keeping kids entertained on long flights or car rides. Long flights or car rides with kids can sometimes feel like a daunting task. Keeping them entertained and engaged can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth journey. Here are some tips to help you keep your little ones entertained on long flights or car rides. First and foremost, come prepared with plenty of activities and entertainment options. Pack coloring books, small toys, and puzzle books to keep them engaged. Consider downloading their favorite movies, TV shows, or educational apps onto a tablet or device for them to enjoy. Snacks are another essential when it comes to keeping kids happy during travel. Pack a variety of snacks that are easy to eat and won't make a mess. Think of snacks like fruit, granola bars, or crackers that will keep their tummies full and their minds distracted. Number 1. Safety considerations when traveling with kids. When traveling with kids, it's essential to prioritize their safety to ensure a stress-free and enjoyable vacation. Here are some important safety considerations to keep in mind when traveling with your little ones. First and foremost, make sure to pack a well-stocked first aid kit with essentials such as band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medications. It's always better to be prepared for any minor injuries or illnesses that may arise. When exploring unfamiliar areas, it's crucial to keep a close eye on your children and establish clear rules and boundaries. Teach them about stranger danger and how to stay safe in public places. Additionally, consider purchasing identification bracelets or temporary tattoos with your contact information. This can be especially helpful in case your child gets separated from you. It's also important to research the local emergency contact numbers and healthcare facilities at your destination. Knowing where to go in case of an emergency will give you peace of mind. Bonus tip: limit screen time. Deciding as a family to limit screen time on vacation will ensure everyone is present and engaged during the trip. We understand that this might not work for older teens. And parent means everyone in the family. Mom and dad, it's time to let go of that mighty attachment to your iPhone. Adults should tell their Facebook friends they'll share photos when they return, and kids' electronics should be limited to long flights or car rides. If the kids are antsy during downtime on vacation, encourage them to write or draw in a travel journal. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like this video so you may see more interesting adventure and places. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you on the next one.